On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds. And now, for that love bird that I call when I'm at work or on the road, Teri Rice.
Let's hear it for my MC. Okay, today we are doing 4 calling birds, except for, of course, I'm doing 4 calling birds, but I'm going to keep 2 and I'm going to mail 2. So I'm using those same adorable birds that I used before. My goal was to kind of make them look like a robin, with the more of a reddish color, but I had this multicolor scrap, so I'm using that. And then I'm using browns. I just think it's adorable. Oh, and I'm using this music note. And I didn't know tell me if this looks right to you, or if they just put it on haphazardly, and maybe that was the plan, because it's still so cute. I didn't think about it, how it looked. And let me show you here's what the birds look like. I was trying to show you those on the first day, and I kept forgetting I forgot where they were at. And you know where they were at? They were in my notes that I had for church. Or actually, they were on my book I have. And here's the other pieces that came with the music notes. And so you get the guitar pick, various different things here. So, and I thought, I must have music notes someplace. And I really like how it looks, even though I think it looks odd that this is at the end. But I don't know. You just tell me if that looks weird to you. But anyhow, I kind of covered up part of it, and I like how it looks, so I'm going with it. Okay, so I've got my 2 birds, and I've already taken, what is my blue color? Tumbled glass, and I'm just putting a little bit of that here. And last night I went out and got cold, and it seems like it just kind of knocked me down again. But okay, so I've cut out, each bird gets 6 pieces, and then you get this piece that has the beak, and I'm gonna line this up with where it needs to go. So I'm trying to get it where it goes. Okay, so right there. And then, no, I swear I put a pencil here. But do I see that? No. Oh, here's one. Okay. So I'm just going to make a dot where the eye is. And I'm going to do it over here too. Okay. My husband's now whistling the 12 Days of Christmas. I can hear him. Okay. And then I've got a black marker, Creative Memories. So I'm actually just going to scribble over that spot, because I want to make sure that I hit the spot again when I line up the birds. Okay. And so I'm just going to put glue around the black scribble. I'm sure that's a technical term used in embellishment making. I was supposed to get to go out to eat with our son for his birthday, but I feel too crappy. And that's technical too. Okay, so I'm just lining up with that eye, and you know what? It almost looks like this one's blinking, so I'm just gonna try to get a little bit there. Yep, there we go. Okay. Okay, there's part of my bird. Oh, and I did say that I already put the blue there, right? You know, I'll keep repeating myself or wonder. I think I coughed so hard that it's like, now all my body just hurts. So annoying. Oh, somebody told me I needed to do garlic and honey, I think. And I did get some garlic yesterday. So I need to crush up some of that, put it in something, because I know it would be beneficial. Okay, so now I have tea dye, and I'm just gonna do around the wings. Hope I'm getting a little better at staying in the lens. Okay, I already have that one done. My husband's on vacation this week, so I'm thinking he should just be able to take care of me all day long, don't you think? I said, maybe you can rub my back when you get home. Okay, so I think that's good there. I'm gonna do this. You start out with the longest one. I just think these are just the cutest birds. It's like I was looking for some really cute, I wanted cute fat birds. And when I forget who sent them in the embellishment swap. I'll have to look it up when I put those things away because they're in another box to be put away. I just feel like I'm so behind now. And now the third one, the smallest one. And like I said before, I'm using this handmade paper, and you do see the texture of it, but it's like it's I'm kind of I want to say it's really gotten flat compared to how it normally looks. And when I first did it, I thought, did I use the wrong paper? And I didn't realize it was actually the same paper, just flattened. Oops, I picked them both up at once. I can't tell you how many times I picked up or went to do something and my sleeve has knocked off one of the pieces. Happened a few minutes ago again. I got like a little bit of, you know, when it's handmade paper, sometimes it's not like perfect. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I have like a little, it looks like a sliver of a piece of paper. Okay, and now I'm gonna put it on here. And what I did was put where I thought my bird would hit. So pretty much in here. And then the other one's gonna hit about in here someplace. And part of this. And once you know where they're gonna hit, it's a lot easier. Whoops, I almost picked up the one that was glued down. So there's the other one. I just think they are so adorable. I'm totally in love with these birds. So I could just do birds every day of the week. So thank you for joining me. Excuse me. I will have close-ups at the end. And remember, everybody else is playing is in the drop-down menu. And go over and check out them. There is one link where it takes you to everybody who's doing videos, and you can see everything there. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow, and we'll be on 5. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye.